I always talk about messaging because I think it's so important that we are clear and concise with our messaging. It can easily get misconstrued. So always be clear with your messaging, okay? If you're not sure, maybe take a step back and have a look at everything you've got going out, okay? Sometimes it's good to do an audit, a refresh of your materials. What needs to be amended, what needs to be brought in line, what needs to be dropped. You know, when someone comes to your website, do they understand what your website is about? Do they understand that you have a product offering, or you maybe are a coach and so therefore you help somebody go from A to point B? You know, clarity is key, okay? So if you feel like sometimes we can be doing so much and we have so many hats that we're wearing that we want to tell everybody about it, but actually sometimes that can cause confusion. So we just got to think about how we introduce people to what we're doing. Maybe a small teaser effect, you know, I do this, that brings in this and that. You know, you need to make sure that you are clear but also not overwhelming your customers, because that's when people decide to sort of come on your website and they dip off again. So just think about making sure it's clear, concise, and to the point.